Previously on Cobra, the Snake Malik from Special Force Unit was sent to find and rescue. He traveled from desert cosmic sky.
I tried to get out from the place where I was hidden. This was a difficult task, but I was determined to succeed and move forward. The alien vessel, an interstellar marvel of engineering, descended slowly from the twilight sky, its colossal shadow. Welcome to the alien city. It's a place of incredible innovation and wonder, built among the glowing structures and lush alien flora of this unique world. The alien ship, an impressive feat of extraterrestrial engineering, displayed advanced propulsion systems and a unique energy signature. The alien vessels showcased advanced technology, featuring energy conduits and powerful propulsion systems that allowed for incredible speeds.